This conference will now be recorded.
So we were looking at the incident form, correct? So I'll go to incident. I'll create a new record. So before that, what I want to do, so these are the left side field, these are the right side field, right? Similarly, what I want to do, I want to add one field here, one field here. So two fields I want to add, okay? So how can I do that? I'll go to configure form layout. Yesterday we saw that, right? What is this called? This UI which you are looking at. Amisha, Vinod, what is this called? Can you say, else I will tell you.
Is that the slush bucket or?
Yes, this is slush bucket.
Okay.
So whichever field I would like to add here, so I will select from left and I will drag towards right. Okay. So Vinod, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I want to do, I want to add two fields in my form. Okay. And one field I want to put on the left side and another one I want to put on the right side. Okay. So let's say due date. Due date I would like to put on the left hand side. So in the right right side selected bucket, you can see this word called split and then end split, right? So this is your UI which will be in a splitted manner. So before split, whichever field are showing here, those will come on the left side and the other will come on the right side. Okay. So due date and duration I would like to add. So due date I would like to see on the left hand side. So I will take this to before split, and duration I would like to see on the right side. So before this is ending, just like HTML tag. HTML tag starts with HTML and then it ends with the same tag, correct? Guys, are you with me? Do you know the HTML tag?
No.
Vinod, what about you? Do you know HTML tag?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Then just understand this is the start of the split and this is the end of the split. So whenever you will start, you have to end also. Okay. So just have a look. Due date before split, duration before end split. Okay. And let me just save this. So what I'm able to see here, the due date is coming on the left side and duration is coming on the right side. And after end split, short description and description were there, correct? And they were not part of the split feature. That's why they are coming independent field here. I mean, it is not coming under the split part. Did you get this?
Yes.
Vinod, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I ask you to change any form, then you can do that, right?
Yes, probably. Yeah.
Okay. So let's do it now. So you both go to in just type incident on the left hand side in the left navigation and click on create new, and after creating create new, this form will be popped up. Okay, this form. So what you need to do, you need to right click on configure and click on form layout, and after going to form layout, from the fields available on the left side, one field you keep in the left side and another one you keep on the right side. So I'm stopping sharing. Any one of you can share and show me. Who would like to share?
I can share.
Yeah, go ahead.
It says ask the organizer to make you the presenter.
Yeah, you are presenter now.
Okay, so I'm on the screen here. Go to configure. And I can choose any one that I want, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Let's go. And then I'll just click this one. This thing is okay. Oh, sorry. I'm not seeing my options there, so I'll just go here.
Which option?
Oh no, like the screen, the thing is blocking my view here.
Okay.
There, and then this one would be there.
Yeah, now.
So
So
I added
follow up.
follow up and I
Mhm.
added notify. So that comes here on the left and notify on the right.
Perfect. Perfect. So this is how we can configure the form layout, and this is the use of split feature. Okay.
Okay.
So it is best practice to design if you have a lot of fields. So it is best practice to keep the form in a split manner. Like few fields you can keep on the left hand side, few form you can keep on the right hand side. Okay. And there are supporting fields you can add in form of section. So this is section. Notes will contain all the history details which will be applied on this record, applied on this incident. So it can be updated anytime, right? Or it can be, or any information can be changed. So whatever whatever thing is going to happen on this form, on this record, so those will get captured here. Okay. So additional field and work notes are called as journal entry. Okay. Related records, it will display the parent incident if they have any change request caused by change or problem. Okay. Resolution information will be having a resolution info. Okay. So we will see all these details in for incident when we cover the incident form. Sorry, incident management. Okay. So we are only looking at the feature of form view as part of our ServiceNow UI. Okay. So let me show you one more thing. Now you have seen the usage of form layout. Now what is a form design? If you go there, then form design is kind of a very easy feature to add any field and align them. So you can see this is the form, right? I don't want to keep the due date in my form view. So what I will do, I will just delete it from here. Duration also I don't want. Let's remove it from here. So instead, so whatever I was doing with the form layout, so same thing I am able to do here also, correct? But this is very much easy for me because the UI is very good, correct? So this is the studio which ServiceNow offers. So on basis of this UI, I am able to edit the fields and I am able to edit the look and feel of the form. Okay. So this is form design. So here you can see the incident form detail are the 2-column wide. If I want to make it 1 column, then it will be like this. Okay. And if you want to, let's save this and have a look on the form. See, so this is in the only 1 column view, correct, in the form view. So it is showing like this. Now I want to change this. So what I will do, I can select which column I would like to put on the left hand side and which I would like to put on the right hand side, right? So let's do that. On hold reason, state, impact, urgency, priority, assignment group, assigned to. Okay. So short description. Okay. Contact type, universal request transfer reason. I don't want these two field as well. Contact type. Let's keep it here on the top. Okay. So now save this. So the left hand side and right hand side are done, but this short description and description is also part of left hand side columns, right? So let's change that as well. So my form is looking like this now. Oh, I don't want this to be part of the section. So I will go to form view, and in the form view you can see the sections. Okay, and within this section what is happening, you can see the short description, watch list description is showing on the right hand bucket, right? Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
So I don't want to see these 2 3 fields in note section. So how I can do that? I here this is a slush bucket, and below slush bucket you can see form view and section. So this was showing under notes section. So I will go to notes. I'll click on the notes and then I'll remove from here. Short description, watch list, work notes list, nahi, description. Yeah, so those things I don't want to see in the sections. So I have removed it from the section. Okay. So short description and description, let's keep in the form. So here the available fields are shown. So let's look for the short description. Here is the short description. Okay. So what I will do, resolution related list. Okay, so let's not do from here. Let's go to form layout. Okay, so now tell me, short description I am putting here, and description is again another field, correct? So if I save this, so this is happening, but I want the short description and description not to be aligned as part of left hand side or right hand side. It should be, the individual field which will be appearing in one field. It should not be in a splitted manner. So how I can do that, or why it is happening? Hello guys. I So this is my slush bucket, and you can see these are the fields. So can you please tell me why short description and description are coming on the right side? Amisha, Vinod. Are you with me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I guess I don't know why.
Okay. So if you look at this, the right hand side, the split part is available. But I told you end split should also be there. If it is starting, it should be ended also. But here, can you see the end split part coming here?
No.
Is and that is the reason it is splitted form into two columns. This becomes the left hand, this becomes the right hand, correct? So we would like to keep the end split on the right side, and also I don't want short description and description to be under this split, so I will just keep the end split by using this cursor here. Okay, and now I will save this. So now my work is done. Short description and description, related search and knowledge also I don't want to show here. So again I will go to form layout. This is happening contextual search, I don't want to see. So that part is gone. So do you get it? How we can configure the form?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So either you can do this by form design or by using the form layout. Okay. The form design, if you do, so you can only select the layout, the one column or two column view, correct? But you cannot keep everything aligned, correct? And that was the reason when I changed by using the form designer. So short description and description came at the right side, but by using the form designer, I was not able to make this view possible, because it could be either one way or one field, or one column or two field or two column view, correct? But if I go to form layout, then in the form layout I can see there is a element called split and end split, and that will take care of the left and right hand side, and whichever comes, that will be by default spread to the all two-way column, correct? So that is the reason I used form layout to appear short description and description here in this format. Did you get this?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So this is the nodes, this is the related sorry, this is the related sorry, this is the section, and nodes, related records, resolution information are the section. If you go to form layout, then you can see that, right? If you want to add any new section, then you can add by clicking here, and you can give the section name, and you can also create new field here. So this is showing as a field length. So you can select this, let small, medium, large, extra large. So this is the kind of available limit, how long the character be for this field, right? So it can contain 4,000 character, it can contain 1,000 character, it can contain 100, and it is for 40. So let's keep this for 100. And if I add and save here, so what will happen here? With this 3 section, new section is added, and new section is added with a string field, correct? So this is the 4th class, so I put 4 here. Okay, so let's make a record. Let's fill the information. Caller I will select from here. Category is software, subcategory is email. So now this record gets created. Okay, and once this record gets created, you are able to see these many things which we discussed yesterday. So this is for the form attachment, file attachment. Anything you can attach from here, right? This is for sending email from ServiceNow, correct? So these all information are here, and this is the related list. So task SLA affected CI. So affected CI will be the same, which is selected here in configuration item. Okay, so this is called related list. And just like form, we can also configure the related list. So if you go to configure, and here you are able to see the related list. So related list, you can see SLA is present, affected CI is present, impacted CI present, service offering present, right? And this is the available related list present. So you can select any of these from the left side, and you can add through slush bucket. So let me put the business service here. So if I see, so the business service is also coming up. So this is how you can configure the related list as well in the form view. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this record has been created. Let me just copy this number